Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to fix this error which is mostly coming in Datadog logs, and the error is like activating 53300 database connection error, and sometime it's showing like a DB slot are full. So basically this error is thrown, or you can see this error in Datadog logs, and mostly this happen in production. Basically this is an error like a system exception, failed internal server error, and exception thrown while activating 53300 database connection error, and sometimes it's showing DB slot are full or exited. So in this video we will troubleshoot this error and how to fix this error using our solution. So basically, first we need to understand what is this error. Okay, uh, this error, if you see, if you are getting this type of errors in Datadog, and in this video we will try to troubleshoot this, how to fix this issue in our code level. So do one thing. First, you need to search this code like database dot ensure created this code in your Visual Studio 2022 where your API is written. Okay, find all, and then once you find this code, mostly this code is written inside the DbContext file, inside the constructor. Okay, if you find this code like database.ensure created, then you need to remove this. You just remove this line. Okay, why this change was required, we just quickly understand. Because the purpose of this insured created is specifically for local development. Okay, it just check the database is exist or not. So how its behavior, it just check database exist or not, tables are exist or not. Based on that, it just, in short, it just check database is exist or not, and just try to connect every time when your API is calling. Then this call is generated guaranteed, and it just check database connectivity. So why we need to remove this? It's just execute on every DB context initialization, and uh, it's execute on each time. For that reason, in database, when multiple APIs are running, that time we are facing excessive DB connections and initialization call. To just avoid the DB call, we need to remove this line. Okay, why it's cause in our environment? See why this cause in our environment? Because see, when we calling database, that time DB context is created. Okay, and on each API call, we just call this, and we just connect to database. For that reason, we need to remove this code, and we just save our database connections, and just avoid the connection loss error as well. So once you fix this error, once you apply this solution, then you realize like database connection usage mostly drop, and that error is also stop, and API timeout is no longer observed. So I would suggest uh, you just apply this solution in lower environment, for example in dev and in UAT. Once you apply this solution, then you just monitor for some days, and once you make sure about it, like it's reduce the error logs in Datadog, then you can just push these changes to the production. So I would suggest first you monitor in lower environment like dev or UAT, and once you observe like it's good to go, then you can just push these changes on production. But this change definitely reduce your Datadog errors, connection errors, and this line is not needed in your code. So just remove it from your API and just monitor your Datadog error performance. I hope you understand what you need to do. I already created one blog for this. You can just go through this blog. Uh, it helps to understand what is this error, how to resolve this, and I will share this blog link in description, so you can go through it and just apply this solution and monitor this. Once you satisfied, then you can just move to the production. Thank you guys.